In this lesson, we're going to talk about using the average function in Microsoft Excel. So from my last video, I still had the same spreadsheet up, same workbook. It's called 05 Budget Start. And the last lesson we learned about count, count A, and count blank. This time we're going to talk about the average function. So we're going to go down to cell 08. We're going to type average. And we're going to hit enter, and we're going to go down to cell A09, and we're going to type equals, because we're beginning a formula. We're going to use the function average, so we're going to type average. We're going to open parentheses. We're going to type B9. This is our range of cells, B9 to M9. Close our parentheses and hit enter. So our average of B9 to M9. So the one before this over to M9. That's our average of these numbers, of this row. We're going to go down to cell 010. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to click equals. We're going to type average. We're going to open our parentheses. We're going to type B10 to M10. Press enter. And our result should be 93.3333. And that is your expected average monthly gas bill, looking at that line. So if you go over here, you see that that's our gas bill. So we can take, if we want to, we can use this, we can pull this down, and we get an average of all of our lines, all the way through cable TV. So we know what the average is each month.